Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new, I'm Samantha. I talk about rescuing things to resell online for a profit. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video before you leave. It helps me a lot, but I'm also going to be putting out some awesome content for you guys to hopefully encourage you to make some more money yourself on your own. I went to the Indianapolis Goodwill bins over the weekend, and something I do quite frequently is pick up items specifically to go sell at Platos and Style Encore. So I've kind of evolved my business where I'm not personally going to list items that are bread and butter, meaning, $10 to $15 items. If I know I can take it to Platos or Style Encore and I can get 3 to 5, I'm okay with that because I would rather list items that are, 40 plus, because my time is very valuable. As most of you know, I am also a nurse, so my time is stretched very, very thin. But I picked up a lot of items and I just want to share those with you guys to kind of give you an idea of what maybe you could pick up to take to your local Style Encore or Platos closet. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and get into the items I have to show you guys. Alright, this is just a Zara tee. This might be one that I would keep for myself, but honestly, if they're going to take it, I'm going to go ahead and send it into them. This is a Banana Republic linen dress. I guess I could share with you, they'll probably pay $3 or $4 for that Zara knit, and it weighed like nothing. So at Goodwill by the pound, it's by the pound, so it was like $1 something a pound, and if that's only a few ounces, I maybe paid a quarter for it. So $3 to $5 for this Zara top is a great deal. And then this Banana Republic, I probably will get $5 to $8 for that. They will categorize it as a dress and a long dress, which will increase the price just a little bit. This is an Erin London. This is going to be considered a blazer for them, and they'll probably give me $5 to $8 again because they price their blazers as well as their jackets much higher. This is a pair of Roxy, just plain shorts. Kind of like them for myself, so if they don't take them, I'll probably just end up keeping them. They'll probably pay about $3 to $4 for those. This is just a Sonoma. And again, I'll get $3 to $5. Most blouses you'll get $3 to $5 unless it's a higher end designer. This is Terra Sky. Now at my local Style Encore, they actually take a lot of this brand, Terra Sky. You're not going to get like huge money for it, but knowing they're going to take it, it's kind of eases my mind when I pick it up at the bins, because my goal is to not have to redonate. I want to only pick up things that are stain-free, odor-free, ready to go, and something I really think they're going to take. So I did pass on quite a bit of stuff because I wasn't quite for sure. All right, this was a new with tags apartment 9 dress, and again, it's a long maxi, so I will probably get $5 to $8 for it. This is just a Amanda Smith, just poncho cardigan type, not cardigan, but poncho, I don't know, scarf. I will probably get about $3 to $5 on that one as well, depending on what they categorize it. If it's as a scarf, I'll probably get $3. If it's as a sweater, I will get $5 to, maybe $8. This is a Free People dress. Now, I like to list Free People myself, but this one is a little bit, I don't know, it's a little bit weird to take pictures of because it's kind of like a wrap style dress. So it does have silk in it. They price their Free People pretty high, so I'll probably get $10 to $12 out of that dress. This is 99 Jane Street. Not familiar with the brand, but it's a cream cardigan. It'll get me $3 to $5. This is a Miami. Just a geometric print blouse, $3 to $5. A pretty scarf. It's still tied. I should probably untie it before I take it in, but it's really cute. I'm not sure of the brand. Oh, here it is. well, it doesn't have a brand on it, but it's really nice, and I like the print, so I'll probably get $3 for it. I don't know the name of this. It says Tantrums or something, but it's just a department store blouse. I just really like the print, especially to take it into them. They like the boho layered lagging look at my local one in Terre Haute, at least. This is an Express racerback tank. I'll probably only get like $2 for it, but again, it doesn't weigh like anything, so I maybe paid like 50 cents at most. This is a Chico's. My style loves Chico's also, especially the newer tag Chico's, so I'll probably get $3 to $6 out of that, depending if they categorize it as a sweater or a top, because it could be either one. Sweater I'll get more, top I'll get less. It just depends on the buyer. All right, another Chico's dress. This one is gorgeous. It's actually my size, so maybe I'll keep it. Depends if the price is right. If they buy it, it's a long maxi, so I'll get about $8 for it. This is Olive and Oak, just a sweater. 3 to 5. So something I'll do is after I take it there, I'm gonna try and break it down on what they took and the prices. So I always have them print me out a receipt that shows per item what they paid me, and then it usually has the brand name beside it, so I can hopefully go back over and share with you guys which ones sold. All right, this is a Loft. These were really nice. I'm pretty sure they're new. And if they categorize them as jeans, I will get more than if they categorize them as like pant, because pants don't do as well at their store. This is a Liz Claiborne. Probably about $3.50 out of that one. Maurice's. Same price. Maurice's does really well, so they like to get Maurice's items. All right, this is a pair of New York & Company work pants. They're like new as well. So these will be categorized as pants, so I'll probably only get like $3 or $4 out of them. This is a LC Lauren Conrad. I figure this would be perfect for like layered look. And it's gonna be categorized as like a tank top, so I'll probably only get like $2.50 out of it. What is this? Concepts New York. Just a long sleeve top. I will get probably about $3.50 out of that. I found this Colt windbreaker. And since it's in Terre Haute, it's close to Indianapolis, so they buy Colts. They will not buy other brand teams just because they're not sure if like it will sell or not, which makes sense. I mean, we're in Indiana there. J. Crew. This felt like silk. I honestly thought it was, but then when I looked at the material, it is nylon and polyester, but it's still a beautiful piece. I'll probably get, I could see them pricing that a little bit higher, probably about $4 to $6. All right, this is just a sports bra. I believe Tangerine, no, Guyam, Guyam, and it's just a strappy sports bra. They'll give me about $3 for that. Massimo. This is just a long sleeve geometric print shirt. About $3.50 probably. Massimo isn't like a huge brand. Now this is of Abercrombie & Fitch, and it is new with tags. Abercrombie does really well at Platos, so I probably would think that they would take it over Style, but we'll find out if Style takes it before Platos, because I always go to Style first. They pay more per item because it's more of like an adult woman store versus Plato, which is based upon teens, and teens don't really have a whole lot of money, so stuff is priced a lot cheaper. So I always go there first because some things they will take that Plato's would take, but you know, I'd rather get more money versus taking it to Plato's and get less. Right, this is a paper crane. About $4 to $5. I think paper crane gets priced pretty high there. Loft. Again, it's like a tank top type blouse, so I would probably get about $2.50, but it's like so light, it weighs like nothing. This is just a divided green, like military type jacket. Their jackets usually get priced pretty high, so I'll probably get $5 to $10 depending on, you know, what they exactly categorize it as. This is a Venus, kind of long duster cardigan. It's really pretty. I didn't know what it was at first because it has this like clip in the middle and it was all jumbled up. But yeah, it's a beautiful sweater. I'll probably get, I would say 5 to 8. And again, watch, because I might make another video if you guys are interested to share what price points I got per item. I know you're probably like, she's just making these prices up in her head. Y'all have no idea how many times I've been to these stores. And being a reseller, it's not my own clothes, so I'm very like meticulous on making sure I know how much they're paying me per item before I actually cash out, because sometimes they might slip in the Michael Kors down there and accidentally price it, you know, lower than it should have been. So I always make sure to check that the prices are exactly what I want to get out of them before I say yes, write the check. All right, this is an A&A cable knit sweater. You can get about $3.50, $4.50 out of that one. Lucky Brand jeans. I don't like picking up jeans because I never know what style they want to get, but these were Lucky and they were in really good condition. They'll probably pay about $5 to $8 for those. It's Our Time. Just a thermal top, about $3. This is a Simply Vera Wang sweater, like top, dress thing. Probably get about $5 for it. It is new. This was Loft and Taylor. And it's kind of just like a poncho sweater. If they categorize as outerwear, I might make $8, whereas if they categorize as a sweater, I'll probably make $3 to $5. So just depends. Banana Republic, just plain black top, probably $2.50, $3. And Taylor, $3 to $5. This is a pair of Paige denim. I do like listing Paige myself, but I hate listing denim, so if they give me the right amount of money for it, I'll just let them take it off my hands. But they'll probably, Paige does pretty well there usually, so I'll probably get $12 for those. This is a silk top by Charters Club, but I figured red, it's in season, you know, people are gonna want a holiday shirt, so. This is another Chico's piece. It's lightweight. I'll probably only get about $3.50, $4 out of that. This is a skirt. What is it called? Nature Studio. And it's new with tags. Their skirts don't do very well there, so I'll probably get like $3.50 to $4 out of it. This is an H&M piece. Probably $2.50 to $3. Being that it's H&M. Alright, this is Lush. I couldn't figure it out because it's like pretty open, so I was like, I am not listing this myself. I don't know how to get a picture good, but Lush does really well there too. I'll probably get about $3.50 to $4. This is a pair of Halogen dress pants. They were just really cool print. I'll get about $3, $3 to $5. Chaps, I really like this print. I wish it was my size, but yeah, it's green plaid, perfect for Christmas. They'll probably give me about $3.50. This is a Banana Republic, and I believe it's mohair, which is really nice. Yeah, mohair, which mohair is like kind of like wool and stuff, I believe. But mohair, if you see that on the tag, it more than likely increases the value of what you have depending on the style. This will probably get about $5 there. And then last is this Chico's piece. And this one was like a pretty purple. I thought it was silk, but it's not, right? No, it's not silk. But I'll probably get about $3.50, $4.50 out of this guy. But yeah, I found all that at the bins this weekend. I had to make a super quick over there to Indianapolis. It's about a 2.5 hour drive, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna pick up all of these filler items because I kept finding new tags and, you know, nice tops. And although I knew I didn't want to list it in my own closet and take that time to list it, I knew I could make a trip soon to Terre Haute and go to Platos and style Encore. I actually picked up a few kids items too to take to Once Upon a Child. And yeah, as I'm thrifting there or working, I'll go sit at the local Starbucks and let them go through my items. And as they're, you know, paying me, I'm sitting there working too. So then all I have to do is go pick up the check. And after picking up the check, I get my items and head home. So there are more ways to make money, guys. Don't limit yourself to one stream, and don't think, oh, they don't pay very much, so it's not worth my time, because I actually find things there quite frequently that I can flip for a lot of profit. So I may have to pay up like, you know, 50 bucks, but if I'm making 150 and I know it's gonna flip within a day, why wouldn't I pick it up right there and pay that money and then list it that night, make the money the next day? Because they take a lot of hot items, a lot of on trend. So that kind of helps take the guessing game out of me, wondering, you know, is this in style? Is this hot? Because they have to pretty much take stuff that's in style and within the last 2 years. So I'm gonna take this. If you would like to see what they took and price points, leave a comment below. It would help me know if you guys kind of want a video like that or not. So have a great day, and thank you so much for watching.